हाय फ्रेंड्स मु रश्मि आपण रश्मि ट्यूब्रे स्वागत जनाऊँगी। तो फ्रेंड्स सबुठ बिग ब्रेकिंग अपडेट रही विद्यालय गणशिक्षा विभाग पक्षर गोटे चिठी आसला जो चिठी रे 23 अक्टोबर रु 25 अक्टोबर पर छुट्टी घोषणा करा जायतिला ताकू आपणकर कैंसिल करागला बंद करागला बा आपणकर रद्द करागला छुट्टी काहेकि छुट्टी आपणकर बंद करागला ताकू आम वीडियो रे आलोचना करबा। ता सहित मंत्री मध्य कहले शिक्षक माने एवं सरकारी कर्मचारी माने 24 घंटा ड्यूटी करेंगे। तेणु आपण मान अनुरोध भिडियो को शेष पर्यंत देखूँ। भिडियो देख सारा भिडियो पसंद आसले भिडियो हृदय लाइक कर दिंतु। ता सहित आपंकर सांगसाथी मानक भिडियो व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक माध्यम शेयर करने बिल्कुल भी भूलु ना। ता सहित एवं सुधा जदि चैनल टी सब्सक्राइब करना सर्वप्रथम चैनल टी सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु और ता पाखरे आसुवा ऑल नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन टी प्रेस कर दिंतु जहाँफल कि ये लेटेस्ट अपडेट सर्वप्रथम आपण मैंने आम चैनल माध्यम पाइपर। तो देखो ये रही चिट्ठी आपणकर विद्यालय गणशिक्षा विभाग पक्षर कराई जे आपणकर 23 रु 25 अक्टोबर पर्यंत जो छुट्टी कराइतला ताकू बातिल कराई एवं सरकारी कर्मचारी माने 24 घंटिया ड्यूटी करेंगे। तार जो मंत्री बयान रही ताकू प्रथमे देखि नबा तापर चिट्ठी रे कोन लिखाई ताकू आलोचना करबा।
To position themselves, they have already positioned themselves. Officers have already positioned themselves. The next 72 hours will be 24/7 for all the officers. All the government officers, the leave of all the officers and employees have already been cancelled. They have all been asked to join on duty immediately, and all of them will be positioned on the spot in the affected area. It is around 730 kilometers away from Paradip, and after landing at Paradip, it will move towards Puri and cross the sea and perhaps reach West Bengal or Bangladesh. Around 9 districts are very vulnerable so far as the impact of the cyclone is concerned. Odisha government has made all preparation to ensure that the people are moved before the arrival of this cyclone to all relief centers. 250 relief centers are already ready to accommodate people with all type of facility like drinking water, like cooked food, like power supply, like urinal latrines, both different urinal and latrines for women and men. Backup power supply has also been provided. The telecom department is also on the job to ensure that the telecommunication service is not disrupted. The health department has also positioned itself to ensure that the persons who will be shifted to the relief center are provided with health care as well as treatment. Another 500 additional top gap makeshift shelter has also been prepared to accommodate the people who will be evacuated, and they will get themselves accommodated in the relief centers as well as the makeshift relief centers. Hopefully the chopper from the center will also land very shortly in Bhubaneswar. The additional NDRF team have also started moving. ODRF team are already on the job on the spot for their relief and rescue operation. The fire services officials are also on the position to help out the people at the time of heavy rainfall and cyclone. So in all respect, the Odisha government is ready. In addition to the preparation made, we have also started locating officers who had worked in the vulnerable district in the past in different capacity as ADM or as collector or as BDO. We are also making a list of those officers who worked in such a situation in the past during filing, during Hudhud, during Titli cyclone. So they will also be made available to the vulnerable district where they had worked earlier to assist the district administration to ensure that the relief and rescue operation is executed perfectly in Odisha.
Vulnerable district which is likely to hit bad?
Naturally from Paradip to Puri, that includes Kendrapada, that includes Jajpur, that includes Jagatsinghpur, that includes Baleswar, that includes Mayurbhanj, that includes Puri, and also we are prepared for the adjoining district in the event of any deviation of the cyclone so far as its direction and intensity is concerned. The adjoining districts may also be likely to be affected. So we have not only made preparation for the district on which the cyclone will move, we have also made preparation in the adjoining district also.
Sir, you are in regular touch with district collectors, so what is the direction for them?
To position themselves, they have already positioned themselves. Officers have already positioned themselves. The next 72 hours will be 24/7 for all the officers. All the government officers, the leave of all the officers and employees have already been cancelled. They have all been asked to join on duty immediately, and all of them will be positioned on the spot in the affected area.
And the evacuation process will begin by evening. What do you think? So,
I think the movement of the people from the possibly affected area will start today late in the evening.
so Odisha government is all set to tackle this.
Odisha government is all set to face all type of situation and also prepared to render all type of help that will be required by the affected people during such a situation.
तो देखंतु ये रही चिठी ओडिशा सरकार विद्यालय गणशिक्षा विभाग पक्षर पत्र संख्या रही 22/10/2024 लेटर रही प्रेरक रही शालिनी पंडित कमिशनर तथा शासन सचिव विद्यालय गणशिक्षा विभाग प्राप्तेषु समस्त निर्देशालय विद्यालय गणशिक्षा विभाग समस्त जिला शिक्षा अधिकारी तथा जिला प्रकल्प संयोजक समस्त ब्लॉक शिक्षा अधिकारी विषय रही बंगोपसागर अवपात सृष्टि होई आशंका थिबा बात्या निमंते आसंता 23 अक्टोबर 25 अक्टोबर 2024 पर्यंत छुट्टी बातिल महाशया एतद्वारा जणाई दिया भारतीय पाणीपाग विभाग सूचना अनुଯାयी बंगोपसागर एक घूर्णिबलय सृष्टि होई बात्या रूपे राज्यर 14टी जिले क्षयक्षति घटाइबार संभावना अच्छी एणु एही परिप्रेक्षी विद्यालय गणशिक्षा विभाग अधीन में कार्यरत समस्त अधिकारी और कर्मचारी छुट्टी आसंता 23 अक्टोबर 25 अक्टोबर 2024 पर्यंत बातिल करागला और समस्त को निज निज हेडक्वार्टर रही निर्देश प्रदान करा जाइछि। तापरे यार जो कपि जिला शिक्षा अधिकारी कार्यालय बालेश्वर करा यार एकीगता नकल बालेश्वर जिलार समस्त प्राथमिक माध्यमिक उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय प्रधान शिक्षक अध्ययन अवगति और विहित पदक्षेप निमंत जणाई दिगला अर्थात शिक्षकों भी छुट्टी बातिल अर्थात 23 ରୁ 25 से ड्यूटी करेंगे बोली डीओ बालेश्वर आपंकर लेटर हो जाइए। तो तापर देखु यार एकगता नकल आपंकर ब्लॉक एजुकेशन ऑफिसर को पठे दि जाइए। तो सबू कम आपंकर शिक्षक माने नियोजन करा जीवो आपनकर बात्या बन्या सबुथिरे किंतु शिक्षकंकर जो डिमांड आज पर्यंत पूरण हो पारुना यही आपण मानक आजिकार गुरुत्वपूर्ण इनफॉरमेशन आजिका वीडियोटी एतिक शेष कर नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखा से विदाय दिंतु। नमस्कार, जय जगन्नाथ।